Hello everybody! In today's short video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can activate the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this OPPO A94 5G smartphone. So that's how the keyboard looks without those number line activated. From here you want to go and head directly for the keyboard settings by either pressing on this gear, or you can just open up the settings here, find additional settings category, keyboard and input methods, Gboard, preferences, and at the preferences page of the Gboard keyboard just turn on this toggle, and as you will see now, that will effectively mean that the separate number line has been successfully turned on. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.